how to set page notifications you follow on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notification. Okay, go to this and notification and what notification you receive section. You can see here the page you follow. Okay, you can tap this to set. And okay, here you can allow or disallow this page you follow notification on Facebook by turn on or off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification on Facebook. So for example, I turn off this. If you turn off this, you can see the pop-up below and tap the turn off button to successfully turn off. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And if this turn on, where you receive this notification, you can receive the notification into push, email, SMS. And if you want to turn on or off this option, you can turn on or off the switch button on the right side. So for my example, I turn off the push, I turn on the email, and I turn off the SMS. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set page notifications you follow on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.